Alright guys, so the first item that I'm going to be unboxing today is the JVC RS1000, also known as the NX5. You have the retail and professional versions of the projector. This is brand new. A lot of companies don't even have it in stock. We were lucky enough to attend their trainings and pre-order several of these, so we have them available and ready to ship. We have a low price guarantee and free shipping. So give us a call, shoot us a text. We have this item ready to go. And I'm gonna have this one an open box today at a low promo price since it will be considered used after our demo today. So let's take a look inside and see what we have. Alright, so JVC does a really nice job packing this, guys. You really don't need to be worried with shipping on this. You can see the packing material that they use is extremely thick, and even if it gets bumped around a little bit in shipping, I think it's going to be okay. First item in the box is the power cord and the JVC warranty information. This does come with a 3-year parts and labor, and a 1 year or 1,000 hour, whichever comes first, on the lamp. It's good information to know. Has everything for registering your warranty here. Next item is the JVC remote, and they do include batteries. Let me show you what this looks like. Looks like they changed the remote since last year on the older JVC projectors. Now let's take a look at the projector itself. Bam! Look at that beauty. I'm gonna turn the lights on a little bit so you guys get a really nice idea of the image quality. Alright, so first off, this housing is stout. This is a really beefy projector. You can see they have some of the advertisements on here. HDR, ISF certified. This is the reference series. Let me give you a close-up. You had a 3D sync, you have HDMI 1 and 2, RS232, a service port, you have your LAN trigger, and then hard buttons, and then this is an IR sensor. Looks like you have your filter here, which is removable to clean your air filter. And then show you the top of it. This is the reference series. Native 4K. This projector does have an all glass lens. Another IR sensor here on the front. Alright, I'm going to show you the top. Now, these JVC projectors have a really wide bolt pattern on them. So, not all projector mounts are going to work with it. My favorite projector mount, you guys have seen in our other videos, I use them all the time, is a strong bind adjust projector mount. Like it because it has micro adjustments, especially for our zero edge screens. But these legs just screw right off like that, and then your mount bolts right here. I'm going to be doing tabletop setup today because I'm not permanently installing this in my media room. I'm just going to set them on the back table and broadcast it onto a test screen for you guys to give you an idea of the image quality you can expect. This is a first look and unboxing of the RS1000. I'm super excited about this, guys. I know you are too. I've gotten a lot of calls. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox the 2000, which you can find in a separate video. And then I will go ahead and start my demo. If you guys would like to purchase this product and you live in Dallas, just give us a call and we can come out and install it for you, or just ship it to you if you'd like to install it yourself. If you don't live in Dallas, give us a call or shoot us an email, because we do have free shipping and a low price guarantee. We can get it right to your door in as little as 2 days. Hope that you guys found this video informative. Make sure to give me a thumbs up for more videos and subscribe down below. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching.